Look at how hot and ooey gooey she is. I just can't. That is so freaking good. Come with me because today I'm about to show you how to make something out of nothing. We're using leftover pulled pork to make pulled pork stuffed sweet potatoes. Let's get started. Sometimes we need dinner quick, easy, but delicious. Today we are making my sweet potatoes stuffed with barbecued pulled pork. It's gonna be delicious, it's gonna be quick, and it's gonna be simple. That's what we're looking for. I do not want to spend the whole night tonight in the kitchen. So let's get started. So what I have here is sweet potatoes. They're small to medium sweet potatoes. I've already washed them and I'm gonna slice them in half. I have all of my sweet potatoes halved. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some avocado oil and I'm gonna cover my sheet pan that I have lined with aluminum foil. And we're just gonna take each half and we're gonna put it on the sheet tray face down or cut side down and make sure they're good and coated in the avocado oil. So now I'm going to take that same avocado oil and I'm just going to do the skin sides of them and I'm going to rub each one good. Make sure that all the skins and the flesh side are covered in the avocado oil. What this is going to do is, we could have thrown these in here on the sheet tray whole, poked a few holes in them, and threw them in the oven. But we're trying to be quick here. So these potatoes are going to cook in half the time, and they're going to get a beautiful caramelization on the bottom of them, which, again, just because your meal is quick doesn't mean it doesn't have to be delicious. And we're just adding another layer of flavor with the caramelization of the sweet potato. Everybody's good and massaged. Now you make sure you wash your hands, because if you're not washing your hands 75 times while you're preparing your dinner, something's not right there. So now I'm going to take some salt and just sprinkle the tops of each potato and some black pepper. I'm going to flip them over and we're going to do the other side. So now that both sides of our potatoes are seasoned, they're oiled, they're happy, we're going to pop them in a 425-degree oven for about 25 minutes, or until you try to insert a fork and it goes through smoothly and easily. So now we're going to clean up and we're going to start on our pulled pork. So while our potatoes are in the oven roasting, we're going to start reheating our pulled pork and getting the rest of the components of the meal together. So I have my leftover barbecued pulled pork that I had in the freezer. It's defrosted. I'm going to add in about 1/4 cup of water just over the top. And what I'm doing here is I'm creating a steaming environment. I'm going to take a piece of plastic wrap, cover the bowl tightly, and I'm going to pop this in the microwave for 5 minutes. While our potatoes are in the oven, our pulled pork is heating. I have left over, this is about a half a block of white cheddar cheese. So I'm just going to grate this. And this is what we're going to put on the top. And it's going to go beautifully with the sweet potatoes because the pulled pork is sweet. The sweet potatoes are obviously naturally sweet, so we need a savory component. That's what the cheddar cheese is going to do. This is extra sharp cheddar cheese. So the two flavors are going to marry together beautifully. Now you see how quick and easily this meal is coming together? I'm such an advocate for this. I tell you guys this all the time. If you're doing the work, do it once. You're making a huge pork shoulder or a huge pork butt to make pulled pork. Make a lot of it, freeze it. That way on nights like tonight when you don't feel like cooking, boom, your meal's 3/4 of the way done. And before you grate your fingers, this little piece is for the chef. So we have all our cheese. Now we're just gonna set this aside and wait for everything to be done. Okay, our sweet potatoes are done. All of our components are ready. Let's put this quick and easy meal together. Look at how beautifully golden and caramelized those sweet potatoes got. Can't beat it. So I'm just gonna smush these up ever so slightly so that my butter can get down in there and melt. I'm going to take some room temperature butter and just put it all over the top of that glorious sweet potato. Then I'm going to take the perfectly reheated pulled pork. You can hear how moist that pulled pork is. I'm just going to put a nice dollop on each side of the sweet potato. And then I'm going to top it with the extra sharp white cheddar. And the heat of the potato and the pulled pork is gonna melt the cheese. She is goody melty. Let's give her a taste. Get a little bit of everything there. Look at how hot and ooey gooey she is. I just can't. That is so freaking good. It's sweet, it's a little bit smoky, it's creamy, and it is absolutely delicious. 25 minutes, we made a meal that's phenomenal. It took no effort at all. We used our leftovers, we didn't waste anything, and it tastes completely different from the first dish. Guys, if you want the recipe to my barbecued pulled pork stuffed sweet potatoes, comment the word recipe in the comment section below and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. Or you can go to the link in my bio, go to my Substack page, and you can find all of my recipes there. Guys, you have to make this. This is so good.